Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-04002 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL plus editor as a common user called c#escort. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. So now what I am going to do, I am going to create one sequence. Okay. So I am going to create one sequence with min value and max value, and let me execute it. Okay, so ORA-04002 increment must be a non-zero integer. So here what is the problem is increment by I mentioned as 0, so that is invalid. Okay, so it must be a non-zero integer that is greater than 0. So now let me create the sequence. Yes, it's created successfully. So this is the fix for ORA-04002 increment must be a non-zero integer.